In this video, you will learn how to share location on Google Maps. Sharing your location can be helpful when you want to let friends or family know where you are. It's easy to do and can be done right from your phone. I will guide you through each step. To get started, open up the Google Maps app on your device. Once inside the app, look for the blue icon that represents your current location on the map. Tap on this blue icon and you'll see a variety of options appear. From these options, select Share Location. Now, it's time to choose how long you want to share your location. You can easily do this by tapping here. Now, you'll find plus and minus buttons that let you adjust how long you'd like to share your location, be it for 1 hour or any specific time frame. Alternatively, if you're looking for flexibility, select until you turn this off. This option keeps sharing your real-time location until you manually stop it. Next comes choosing how you'd like to share your location. You can opt for email if that's convenient for you. For more versatility, tap More Options, which opens up several platforms where you can send your live location link, like WhatsApp, Discord, and various social media platforms. Simply select any of these platforms, compose a message if necessary, and hit send. The recipient will receive a link that lets them track your real-time movements directly through their own Google Maps application. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.